what you can, where you can, to restore our ecosystems and preserve our environment. We owe it to ourselves as Jamaicans and to ourselves as global citizens.
The National Road Operating and Constructing Company, NROC, has responded to that call, planting trees across Jamaica. And just recently, those activities took NROC to Hope Village in Manchester. NROC's 30,000 Trees in 4 Years initiative began in January 2021. Since then, the program has been gaining support from communities in which NROC operates. As the government entity responsible for the establishment, development, financing, operation and maintenance of tolled highways, NROC has bases across the island. That includes Highway 2000, where extension work is currently being done on the east-west leg between Maypen in Clarendon and Williamsfield in Manchester.
When you do a highway, you remove fruit trees from farms. And between Milk River and Williamsfield, we would have gone to a number of farms, remove cash crops and some fruit trees. So we thought that it would be good to give back to the farmers fruit trees to replace what we take out. And where we have open plots like this one, we would now put a program in place to do a blitz, as we call it, to plant trees.
The latest location chosen is the Hope Village community, which is adjacent to the Melrose Bypass Road. Home to an inactive fruit orchard, Hope Village was the ideal partner for the tree planting exercise. 400 assorted fruit trees, including ackee, apple, June plum, sweet tamarind and guava, were used to replenish the orchard.
As an association, we are extremely grateful because we believe not only music is a staff of life, but food also is a staff of life. And we are so very happy that they were able to partner with us and to take this fruit trees planting a step further than the few we had.
So it's a partnership and we're doing very well in terms of a community space, and the highway will impact this community very closely because it's close by.
Members of the Highway 2000 family also chipped in, including Stanley Consultants Limited, China Harbour Engineering Company, and Jamaica Infrastructure Operators.
So the Prime Minister, your card, had given us a charge to plant 3 million trees over the next 3 years. And so this is our part. Today, the people that have come with us, the team today, will plant about 6 trees per person. So we're well on the way.
The Rotaract Club of the University of the West Indies Mona campus also joined in on the tree planting exercise. This is their second such involvement, and by all indications, the partnership will continue.
Environmental awareness, environmental advocacy is one of the major areas of focus for Rotary International. For us, participating in an event like this is just natural.
Environmental stewardship is one of the big things internally for us, where we seek to maintain environmental balance. So as we try to incorporate a new environmental standard into our overall standards, we're ISO 9001 company, and we're going to incorporate this year ISO 14001, which looks at environmental management. So that is part of it. This is part of that exercise to support how NROC operates as stewards of the environment.